Hi, my name's Louisa and I'm going to show you how to grow your own herbs in your kitchen. So all you're going to need is this Hydro Garden all-in-one grow kit. You can grow the herbs which are included in the kit, which is your basil and your coriander, but you can almost grow any other herb in here as well. With hydro growing, you can actually grow as much as you like in this little kit in your own kitchen all year round. So let's get started. To get set up to sow your seeds, we take off the little grids which are on top and also carefully peel back the foam blocks. And we expose the vermiculite which is inside the little pods. So it's time to sow the seeds, which I'm just going to scatter on the top. So no need to dig them down into the vermiculite. Now that we've popped our seeds in, we're just going to pop the covers back on. You can actually see a little fill line to where you need to fill the water up to, and then pop the grow light in. Now that we've plugged it in, I'm going to show you how it works. So this little button at the top here, we'll turn it on to the LED. The next step is to press again, and this is where your grow light comes in, which will help to stimulate the growth of your herbs. So the next one is a little light which will turn to a purplish colour, and that is your set and forget. So now your grow light is on and now you can go to work, come home, and it'll be set for 16 hours and your little herbs will be growing nicely. When germination happens, when the seeds start to open and you start to see some greenery, it's important to start adding some nutritional value for your herbs to grow. So that's why we have Sea Sol and Power Feed. Another good thing to do after germination, when your plants are starting to grow, when they're about 7 to 8 centimetres, start trimming because that'll help to bush out your herbs. So it is tempting to have your little herb garden in the windowsill, but the reason why I wouldn't do it is because in summer it's too hot with the sun, and in winter it'll cause a chill factor for your little herb garden. So now just sit back and have it nice and close so you've got fresh herbs ready to go.